6:30 in the morning, and I'm walking down to Kata Beach to try to find somewhere where we can get a same day like boat tour to Phi Phi Islands, because me and Maggie are #stupid and we decide that we want to plan everything as last minute as possible. So last night we're trying to book a tour and we find out that we can't because it was 8:15 and they closed at 8. Like everywhere closed at 8. So hopefully we can find one. Maggie's not awake yet, but she messaged some people last night for a sunset cruise that would be like super cute and fun. So I just got down here and like everything is closed, which I'm not surprised one bit about because it's not even 8 a.m. But I guess I just like figured I would try and had hope that, you know, it's like the beach or whatever. People come to the beach early, maybe some place would be open, but they're not. Oh look, this is a place I was looking for, but they're closed. Yeah, so sad life. Whatever, hopefully I find the beach and it's pretty or something. I don't know, whatever, peace. Tour we wanted to do is a Fat No. Their boat is conveniently being worked on for maintenance this week. It'll be back and running next week, which is really convenient because we won't be here next week. So we can't do that. I don't know what to do. I don't know, we'll figure it out, hopefully. Fingers crossed. But I'm at the beach now, so it's pretty. I took a random stranger's moped. I took a ride on a random stranger's moped back to our place because it was a 20-minute walk. Okay, life update. We found a boat tour to Phang Nga Bay or something like that in like 2 hours. It's 10 o'clock now. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go get food now, and yeah, that's our life. So things worked out like they somehow usually do for us, so don't know how, but we found a tour and it wasn't even like ridiculously expensive either, so little update, we made it on the boat. Yeah, got a private boat tour. Hee hee. Pretty. My Coke. So we just linked up with a poor people boat. Because there's a lot of people on that boat and we're the only ones on our boat because we're rich. Yeah, so it sucks to be poor. Haha. Hee wow. Yeah, rich life, you know, peace out. I'm gonna go kayaking with in our rich kayaks, not our poor kayaks, because we're too rich for poor.
I'm scared to drown, so.
Poor people drown, rich people float.
I'm poor then, baby.
Fuck. Okay.
Vào lên, vào lên. Màyเหมือนอันดาดอพี่อันดาลูกกูวิ่งมา2 รอบอยู่
So
just canoed over from the big boat and we walked through caves and now we're here.
And then the little candle, you make a wish and then you let it go in the cave.
And your wish always comes true, apparently.
Yep. But
We'll
we can't
see.
say what the wish was.
Mm-hmm. Like birthday candle, kind of. But this is where we are now. This is turning out better than I expected.
잡으면 안 돼. 잡아도 나야 돼.
So we're leaving the cave. Wow. That was so fun.
That was fun.
So I don't even know. We went to the cave. It was really cool. Our tour guide was cute. He took a million pictures of us.
So many. He put a heart in this sleeve and then took a picture like this.
Now everyone's really gonna think we're gay.
Yeah,
Aww.
seriously. It ripped. Oh, I'm gonna glue it when I get This has been dope so far.
Yeah, I'm impressed. 10 out of 10 so far.
Every single guy here is hitting on us. Like at the other boat, there's tons of people. There's like 30 employees and they're all hitting on us. And not like we're like the hottest girls in the world or anything, but it seems like it right now.
Apparently, in Thailand, there's not a lot of options.
Yeah, I was saying we should move here so we could be like America's Next Top Model. Make
Yeah.
some money off of it.
Yeah. Yes, this guy's getting thumbs up. Oh my god.
Filming every time we get hit on and make it a compilation.
Yes.
300,000 times I got hit on in Thailand.
We should do that. We have a couple videos of it, but
We're at a new island. Something dripped on my head and I jumped so high.
how do you feel about life right now?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
For once.
Things
Perfect.
really worked out somehow, like they seem to usually do, and I don't understand because we don't deserve shit to work out, but it does.
Oh.
And here we are eating really good food.
Unlimited seafood on the bow of a boat that there's nobody else on but the crew.
Somehow. We literally had nothing planned until 10 a.m. 2 hours later.
This morning.
2 hours later, we're on a boat by ourselves somehow. Like, who? How? That doesn't work out for anybody except for us. Like, I don't get it. I had faith that something would work out, but I actually was kind of like having like pretty high doubts, and I was just trying to be positive, but
I didn't think it'd be a private boat with a ton of food, nobody on it. All the other boats had like 50 people on them.
somehow we got this boat. Somehow. The only thing that was available was this, and it's literally the best thing that could have been available. So thank God we procrastinated because somehow it worked out. Cheers. Oh my God. Okay. Rich life. Oh my God. God. Okay. Well, we'll see you at the sunsets because I'm excited for the sunset on the water. So, yay.